Hello, welcome back. This is the third and final class on Fables, and hopefully you will be graduating. Congratulations. So, today we have to talk about plot, because you do have a moral, you do have the characters, but today we have to talk about the plot. Within the plot, you can include as many things as you want, but remember this. This has to be simple, because it is supposed to be understood by children, if possible, or adults, not in a very complicated way. Alright? So, the idea is that there should be a conflict in the plot that leads to a resolution that matches your moral. Alright? So, whichever animals you've got, whichever moral you've got, now everything is going to come connected through the plot. You can draw a mind map, you can make a list, anything that helps you will be fine to plan your writing. Okay? So, when you've got all of that planning done, write down the plot, put everything together, characters, plot, and the moral, and voila, you've got your fable. What do you think? Can you do that? I know you can. So, once again, cheers to you, thank you for watching, and now you are a graduate on Fables, my friends. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.